Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Smart English Talk, the place where learning English feels simple, natural, and smart.
Exactly. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss our weekly English podcast.
In today's episode, we're diving into one of my favorite tenses, the present continuous tense, also called the present progressive.
That's right. This tense helps you talk about what's happening right now, around now, or even temporary actions. So if you've ever wondered how to say, I'm studying, or she's cooking, this one's for you.
Let's start simple. The present continuous describes actions happening at the moment of speaking.
Exactly. For example, I'm talking to you right now. You're listening to this podcast. The birds are singing outside.
It can also describe temporary actions or things happening around now, but not necessarily this second.
Yes, for example, I'm learning Spanish these days. She's working on a new project this month.
So how do we form it?
Easy. The structure is subject plus am, is, are, plus verb plus ing.
For example, I am reading a book. He is cooking dinner. They are studying English.
In spoken English, we often use contractions. I'm reading. He's cooking. They're studying.
Yes, contractions make your speech sound more natural and fluent.
Okay, what if we want to say that something is not happening right now?
Then we just add not after am, is, or are. Subject plus am, is, or are, plus not, plus verb ing.
Examples. I'm not watching TV. He isn't sleeping. We aren't working today.
And again, we can use contractions naturally. He's not sleeping, or he isn't sleeping. They're not studying, or they aren't studying. Are you listening to me? How do we make questions?
Good question. We simply move am, is, or are to the beginning. Am, is, are, plus subject, plus verb dash ing, plus ... question mark. Examples. Are you listening? Is she working today? Am I speaking too fast?
And for short answers, yes, I am. No, I'm not. Yes, she is. No, she isn't.
WH questions. Who, what, where, etc. Now let's add some spice. WH questions. Structure. WH word plus am, is, or are plus subject plus verb ing plus ... question mark.
Examples. What are you doing? I'm recording a podcast with you. Where is he going? He's going to the gym. Who is she talking to? She's talking to her friend. Why are they laughing? Because the joke is funny. How is your English improving? It's getting better every day.
And remember, for the verb be, we don't use do or does here.
Common mistakes to avoid. Let's talk about some common mistakes learners make with present continuous.
Number 1. Forgetting the be is am are verb. I studying English. I'm studying English.
Number 2, using it for permanent facts. Water is boiling at 100 degrees Celsius. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. That's present simple, not continuous.
Number 3. Spelling mistakes when adding ing. Run, running. Make, making. Write, writing.
Real-life mini conversation. Let's do a little role play to show how the present continuous sounds in real life.
All right, ready.
Hey, Jack, what are you doing right now?
I'm recording a podcast with you, obviously. What about you?
I'm trying to stay focused, but I'm also thinking about lunch.
Classic. So you're multitasking again.
Exactly. I'm working and daydreaming at the same time.
That's present continuous in action. Things happening right now or around now.
Present simple versus present continuous. Many learners mix these two tenses. Let's make it clear.
Good idea. Present simple has habits, facts, routines. I work in an office. Present continuous is happening now or temporary actions. I'm working from home today.
So if you're talking about what's going on right now, always use the present continuous.
Let's recap. Present continuous equals am is are plus verb ing. Use it for actions happening now, temporary actions, things changing or developing.
And don't forget, avoid using it for permanent facts or feelings like love, know, believe. We don't say, I'm knowing you. We say, I know you.
Exactly. Now it's your turn. Write in the comments 3 sentences using present continuous. Tell us what's happening in your life right now.
For example, I'm listening to smart English talk. I'm learning new grammar. I'm enjoying this podcast.
That's the best one. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart English Talk. And join us next time for the present perfect tense, where we'll talk about experiences and life achievements.
See you soon. Keep practicing and keep speaking confidently.